Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club! Let's go!
Monster truck? Cool! Monster trucks! Wow! Bandsaw! Those are cool! What do we have in the box? What do we have in the box? A wrench! The two-sided wrench! Cool! Paw Patrol! Green boat! Pretty cool boat for Paw Patrol! I think we have a toy tool. Screw! How does a screw work? Let's watch. Cool! Educational toy tools for kids. Oh, that's a cool saw, but I want to see calipers. Cool calipers. It can measure all kinds of things. Dump truck! Hello! Dump trucks. Wow! Purple race car. That's cool. Check out that race car. Whoa, look at that engine.
Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club! Let's go! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
'Child child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.